Oh, there you go. So tiny. So, Subaru, always check. Do you have some leaking in there?
I'm over in Loveland now. I feel like I done some trailer brakes this morning.
Siding stuff.
And then I fucking got a call about come over here and fucking...
I work just about everywhere down to Denver.
Yeah, okay, cool. I'm in Loveland, so that's why I was wondering.
Okay, yeah, easy peasy lemon squeezy. I got you covered. You're in my range.
I appreciate it.
Yes, sir.
I appreciate that. Thank you. I'll be in touch with you, John. Thank you.
Sounds good, my friend. Bye.
Bye. Five on the bill bearing.
Subaru.
What year?
19.
Okay, maybe 19, but 98 guaranteed pressing.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I get the feeling you've done a few of those.
Oh yeah, I mean the rear fucking Forester bearings are some of the most notoriously hardest ones to ever do because all.
Well, aren't those hubs?
No, they're pressing.
No, okay.
They're fucking, but the not really.
Yeah.